direction at the beginning of a storm. And frankly, I think that, during the storm, it was tough.
Kansas City's mayor speaks out about the city's preparation for Monday's big snowfall. He's asking the community for patience over the next few days. I'm Lauren Halifax.
And I'm Scott Kilbury. Fox 4's Kirsten Stokes is in Kansas City, Missouri with more from Mayor Quinton Lucas. Kirsten.
Yeah, Scott, Lauren, I spoke with Mayor Quinton Lucas earlier today, and he said their biggest priority was making sure that streets were safe, and he felt that they accomplished that yesterday. A day after Kansas City's first significant winter storm of the season, and there's a divide between what many drivers experienced and how city officials see the situation. Along with road conditions, trash pickup was another concern. Mayor Quinton Lucas says delays in sanitation pickup were due to contracting the same workers as snow plowers.
The very same people that you see driving those sanitation trucks are the same people who are driving snow plows. A lot of the people who stand on the back of the trucks during exceedingly cold weather, which we're about to see, are the same folks. And so it really is everyone at the city chiming in to be part of the conversation.
Lucas tells Fox 4 the city had crews working 12-hour shifts 24/7.
From the beginning of the storm, we always predicted there'd be a 24 to 48-hour response. We're blessed today with warmer weather, which is also helping accelerate some of that response.
He acknowledged the comments made by some and thinks communication could be better, especially with schools.
Some of our public school districts were open yesterday or in the early morning, and I kind of was like, I don't really know if that's the way it should be. You don't always have that conversation back and forth.
Now you can visit fox4kc.com. We were also able to speak with MoDOT today. So along with some comments from Mayor Quinton Lucas, we have some comments from MoDOT as well with how they prepared for yesterday's snowfall. Lauren?
Thank you, Kirsten. Kirsten Stokes reporting live in Kansas City, Missouri. You can also visit fox4kc.com for more comments from the mayor and Missouri's Department of Transportation.